Hi, welcome back to Create to Amaze Art. These are few of my photo frames that I have listed on my Etsy store. To see the full catalog, visit my website createtoamaze@etsy.com. Link will be in the description. Let's see how I make a physical product for my Etsy store. This is a 6x4 inches MDF photo frame. Let's decorate this. I remove the back stand for easy handling. I have used these mandala tools to create the dots, which I am using it as a template for filling in my ceramic paste. I have taken the smallest of the mandala rods. For easy handling of the dotting process of the mandala, use a small old paint container like this. Let's start the dotting process. Remember, I use these dots only as a template, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Using a protractor, I am marking the angles for the design. Based on your design, use different size mandala rods to create the pattern. I have used a piping bag to fill in my homemade ceramic paste. For base coat, let's use white acrylic paint. For easy application of the first coat, add a bit of water, and then for the second coat, you can use the thick acrylic white paint. I have used fluorescent color of the flash, and for the base, ultramarine blue. check out my store create2amaze@etsy.com. Link will be in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.